Butterflies are some of the most colorful and fascinating insects in the world. Here are some fun facts about them. Butterflies undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. They start as tiny eggs, hatch into caterpillars, also called as larvae, form a chrysalis, also called as pupa, and finally emerge as beautiful butterflies. Butterflies have large, delicate wings covered in tiny scales that give them their vibrant colors and patterns. Their wingspan can range from just a few centimeters to over 12 inches. As caterpillars, they munch on leaves and plants. But once they become butterflies, they enjoy sipping nectar from flowers using their long, straw-like mouthparts called proboscis. Ever seen butterflies fluttering around flowers? That's their way of collecting nectar and spreading pollen, which helps plants grow and produce seeds. Some butterflies migrate long distances in search of warmer climates and food. The most famous butterfly migration is that of the monarch butterfly, which travels thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico and back. Butterflies have amazing camouflage abilities. Some species have patterns on their wings that resemble eyes to scare off predators, while others blend in perfectly with their surroundings. Butterflies are ectothermic, which means they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. They are most active during sunny days when they can bask in the warmth of the sun. Female butterflies lay their eggs on specific plants, which will become food for the emerging caterpillars. Each butterfly species has its own favorite host plants. Watching butterflies fluttering around is like witnessing a real-life fairy tale. So next time you see one, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and wonder of these magical creatures.